Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2016 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive EX-L leather package in the Obsidian Blue Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car. Some of the features include LED daytime running lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning system, lane departure warning system, road departure mitigation system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system, power windows and locks, power liftgate, hands-free controls, 8-inch multimedia display, heated front seats, intelligent traction management, sunroof, rear climate control with rear heated seats, gray leather interior, the one-touch third row, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.